ija kutwegitaho abatandikanye cyo kugira kibo mukasheshe atwegukira kimwe na neminyeto enkwatabuda tuje kuba twajana nabo anshonga nini zirinonga barukhereza ubutumwa ahamyeto iworyo ko mucyaro nengashi omatawoni oremerirwe nshonga eminyeto nkeje mugenzi yawe yabayine ishonge ziba kutakoringaho ubundi kikagira icyakuyamba erizo abantu zakwetorora maramwa mhango mnonga yesterday ebireri international nengashi women's day aho muri Uganda tubentukuza icyo cy'abakazi natabasa kutayisa emenyeto nengashi abeji abichi nengashi wezete mpangare tuisha kubantu reba role models babo bakazi girl empowerment ebasekora kurungi turebire abinji baheza abazire babateka makasente barukurga umukwinga umukurisa bacheza kushobobu chatinyona kushwerwa zire nko kuya tahukini no kuyabona bwine nakasente abura kufuna foods umwana wo muki so ebyo nibyo twija kubantu etorora ho mnonga mwana wo muki okwabaze gukora difference mu ihanga turebire ihanga Museveni ahirabaga obugabe abakazi hato bakwasira mu kintu so nyenda kureba ababiki bariyo muri inejo ninga bari mu mbera zabo zo kuza mu vibe nko kwegambera igenda nabari no bashango mbaro right mukurukire cyumwe umukesho ngorako hati yakambase kuintroducinga eminyeto inabasafutaye seri akazobo mu studio then babanze batugabira amazina gabo forms n'ingashikirase zibarimo then tujya kubantu ngerayo nekiganiro kitu kiri akazobo kantandike ni head girl amazina gawo gomberi nanaho kurugumuka
amazina ni Nakawuchina ninye head girl wa Sacred Heart Mushanga ni Ngambara Nyamitanga division and I'm senior 6 right now currently.
Shina.
Yes. Mazina ganje ndwanyita nabasa Melon ndi senior 6 ni Ngisinjiro Bukanga.
Amazina ganje Ainomdisha Bethmas ni Gashema kandi ndi senior 4.
Mazina ganje ni Ainomdisha Joan. Ndi senior 4 right now and vice chairperson school council in Ngambara district Kachika division.
All right, kantandike ni we school council omurama gwitu na nagushoborere wagura so far nyendo ngambire yogo mushari yokwe ariyo nakureba ngoko nakumurikira omurama gwizoberi women empowerment, girl child empowerment iyo noreba nchukora difference obo turiyo mukushishobere
nko kumanya abishiki berigenda abishiki batankire kukizana abashija value responsibilities nko kuchumanya
kawatandikira mjia
no tandikira narito for example noreba head girl witu maramba hanu mukuru weri shomero ryit head girl abishiki beberebi by the way mwana w'umushina ndetse bakwita when support yafuna support nene ma echamani support your child your girl or your wife
nyowe abahurikirije amazina ndiyo Arhanga Kelet ndiyo musenior 4 kandi omishomereri ni nkora nka assistant head girl kandi ahinkuruganyo ni Ndugashema kintu cyo muramugo gwabiki nakintu cyurunje haza ko ati ngoko kutureba we are inspired by different women. Actually some of us are inspired by men but yes, that's a girl child. Umwishi bamutire mamani na nahurire mugamba kuja ngo mukina atwaro nyo cyo kubanza ni mburemi ngo muzire ato muzire torari ko mwana akiguza ahageti yo wawe shayiberwe ciro ni wo kiguro katerera atogwe nayabo mushi abinyina atogwe nayaba bronke ngamba yerigenda kandi kindi umwishi tukamureka kuzwara ikintu cyukwika tinkwenda hagamba
nko kuyayenda
reba omuzaire omwana arimu naaza aha kyaki ajwire ekyakwenda arahamu okurenga culture neeyetagwamu obuntu bwira wajwara gye mbwenu bakuvuga n'omuhanda nibaza kukwata tikirabo hati omuzaire niiwe niho kutahiramu omwana yajwara kubi okamugarura omunju akajwara gye omwana yaza kutwarwa kugenda omuka hariyo emirimo nabaasa kugikora mana y'emirimo y'omuka neeyetagwa twashwerwa tubaragye ngu oyera oburo okagira oti mbimanya ngu niho osomere nibakubinga ekyo nakyo kiro so hati omuntu waba ori omuka eyige emirimo y'omuka mami wawe akwegyesa okuba kwera n'okukoraki nibakwetaki bakwegyesa okweyerera mara biki abatamu bakweyerera agira ngu kandi mbawe tuba bakujwara enono ningwa nebyo mama atarabinyagiise ati ngu ajwire enono ningwa atakubaasa kuhaata ngu etakumakozi niho yizereza washing machine ashate ebyo nibiyamba ki tiine kibiragasa ati omuzaire nawe nakutahiramu konka niwe nk'omwishiki owanyu muri abagiga kuma obo obugiga owanyu muri ba midiyoka muri omwe rwagati batungure baba bagiga kandi nabwo wari omworo orikure mami wawe nakwata biremire na tata wawe nibakwata genda oshome ubakora abagiga ashati hati omukuru yajwara bushokera omuto orikushoma yakura nandajwara ekasi utikasi akiro kikuru
iwe nesiti ya mami nonda kujepuma mukanda kukomisa ye wakubenda orete zidi funga
yono
ahala inejo bwanyuma ya government ya President Museveni ningashaho mu Uganda ku elevating abakazi bakabahereza responsibilities ine kibabasize kuzikozesa ninga chugumera
haza ko kuzikozesa bazikozise kuba ati
ningashi icyo rukubura mu nikibwa nyuma yo kuzibahereza they can give you a position na yerya hotine nankeje turebere umukazi nahereza directive umukazi takundagira
manye ati batwire emirimo yose bagibahire kandi bagikozise take an example of the late Cecilia Ogwara. She was a woman who inspired me. Even when she died, I was hurt. Yeah, I was hurt. Yeah, like she empowered women. She would stand up and tell you point blank, whether you're the president, whether you're who, what is wrong is wrong. She wants you to do the right thing and she's going to tell you. That's why. Ati kunkaro cyo kureba ukareba nicuburamu abashija nibacitumanyira munonga kugira mbatumanyira mbwenu ati uryo mushi naza kumanyira kugira ninkwijo wanyu nkutware konka no mangu nanyembasa kwijo wanyu nkutware naba nyine sente zanje nimbasa kwijo wanyu kandi nkutware urukwendo takwenda hati cyumutumanyira nakugira numwijo witu reba tubatekera amaju reba tuteka amaju rero nicyo tumutumanyira kunga kuturata omisho noze kuboyije ati mu muturinde no gumakija nkakwakira wanyu kiza kubanomo ati nakujya mukamanyira umushije oba nabwo cyo banakujya turi bagufu oba nakujya mu mutsingo buringwa ati nkabicengaga konke ciki cyo kugira ngo umushije no kwakira umukazi omuka eco nimbasa kucyangwa mbira bwo misho
pereza melody gitiraho yini tubahire of nanzibwa yo either exercising them konka iyo cyo kurakira nke kikubura mu niki wanyuma ya kwelevatinga ababakazi baba models bani
nyekinkure kirukubura maybe ni self confidence kushanga umuntu nayetina nchikorenta bandebe bata ninga oryo mukazo inama ni konka tokumaga kose owaita cyaro ninyewo kubanza narigayonta konka waye cheta muninza kuchikora kandi nyine kuchisiriza no chikora. I think all the issue is self confidence because aba mwenka tukurga we come from very poor, not very poor, but then not good backgrounds. Konka tukachetamu, my background does not define me. Ahinkurga,
it is me to change.
it's me to change it. And the other thing, they should also support the boys. Mbajirangu ibe gaterka ingana na mtwe konka then. So they're empowering the ladies. Abakazi bayomba beyihayo n'abantu b'amani kandi abojo bayomba barekane balagging. Mbwenu kare wabaroya. Baro nasika chapati chikumaking sense.
You're saying it should go hand in hand.
It should go hand in hand. Since they have also supported the girls, they should also enroll the boys. Abojo barekire nyuma baba nagejira. Because everyone are on the level of girls, they are delicate, girls are delicate, but also the boys, na baba inebuzu bebi yabo, kind of like, baba nagejwe, twakureba ebizu byabo. That's all I can say.
Na wakureba mu results ziyo nshobora. Abana babasagazi nabaki. Ki mwatembera kimwe kandi abasagazi banaka baza spereza shina. Tubahira mani. Niyo nonda kubanka my sister haya ya dragon mwenda kutushwera nabura muki
nyowe abishiberi na tushwera actually ntwenda sente so nyowe batuhire buri chumwe batu uplifting the government and few individuals. What's lagging is the women of today are still in their primitive thinking. Entekateka yakare abishiki basheme kuba mbashwera basheme kuba bari omuka mbwenu, so they should use the opportunities that have been given to them to uplift also the others. If they put up schools and they're like, bring your girls for education, parents should not think of otherwise abishiki mwenu kushoma kanaza kuruga mbwenu akanga tugasara. So their primitive thinking should at least end so that they keep supporting their daughters.
Tukujaguza ekiro cy'abakazi omwichi wena ryokwe aheru arikundeba nyowe nkija hasi ni ya one nkanta kubasa nambuno no kuchirota mbuno wa Edgar nibasa wika, or I can even be this big and tall. Ati nyonke jesha ninye mugufu kunkana nitambura mu compound age nitambura nko muntu muringo obugufu tinkumanya kuba banyatorire bona nindeba ndumugufu kunka kugira I have that authority in me. Nyine that authority entrusted to me. Nyine ekitiinisa omwishomereri. Ati mwabisha ryokwe ronde ekitiinisa. Fight for it. Grab it, and when you grab it, watch kwa toti. Otiwe paba otachirekura. Watch kwata otarekura. Ekitiinisa nkiza kukuma. Hati nkeri ishomero kundum. Ekitiinisa nkinkuma.
Ntekateka omwana w'omwishiki currently n'omuntu orumuna making a difference in a community. For example, warebera omwishomero ry'ite rya Sacred Heart. Ancient times okoshanga abantu nibagera boys nibo barasinge. Boys, they are the ones to lead the school. Boys, nobody are front line. But noshanga currently omwishiki wakoze the 18-8, omwishiki wasingire omwishiki yaba HP w'ishomero head prefect. They are girls making a difference in a community, bringing in new implementations. Nobody on barete bintu ebitukureba nke biku developing a community. Ebitu abiri ntureba ngo main nebyabojo. Kandi kini ntureba bishiki, they are trying to develop our community because boys these days hinengere ibalaginjire behind, but the girls are really proving to us they can. And for us, we have a feeling that as long as we get the support, just like she has said, girls, they'll keep on taking the push because Akire resources, everything will be fine because currently Newasakureva, the little time Mayabishbabiho empowered, they are making a difference. We are seeing women MPs in the parliament. We are seeing Honorable Miriam Matembe. She's one of the current strong ladies. Abatakwita Kisho for anything. She can say anything as long as she feels it's the right thing. So I really feel like wabaha resources ukabahereza time and the support and the opportunity, they can do the best out of their opportunities.
Melon. there is a
kushwerwa hati ebyo gonde my sister yanje agune bya 1900
obviously
now you're looking at having your kamane kushanga mane pasi yawe ryoke tumwachenda kudependengera abasigazana n'abashaka
aho turi nturebe umesho kwenda tube independent cause hankatwa ntuje ishomero abazaire beite kiba kutushaba najya mwana wanje nyendo shome on future obe independent oteja kurwirayingira musheje so etiza kundeta nyine that perfection in my mind I have to read I have to make my dad proud nyine kurwirayingira musheje so sometimes kanishoma ninishoma nukujante yo musheje ati manyo babiriyo konka nishoma kwishikiriza ekiyangambire otadependinga musheje all independent ready no mani nyebesaho mbasa kushashurira abana banje they don't advise us to become single mothers but they say you can be independent don't be a burden to a husband
Kristo no mushija ugire ki wamwongeraho mutazina mu kimecura yende umushija nwane providingira so I think ni twecho ntujatu
omwana w'omushikirija tubamugamba abo kandi nito turi mu mabanka nito turi mu maparliament mbwen hari abazire baryokwe batashitwara abana babo babishiki mu mashomero n'inta kubacenga cause of recently first of all tufune 1880 omwana yabebera ariyo kubanza last year akari omushiki so imagine omuzire we yamurekira yo mu cyaro sigisa nanka oburo so akatara muhemu konka hati ayafunire 18 ekyo nkyereka bishiki bine kuba bari empowered so that they can express themselves outside there
utumwa kininga shebugambo yamuhere byo kuhereza mwana w'umushi
ebigambo byanje byamuhere binkuhereza omwana w'omushiki most especially ogo wafunire chance akazo mu ishemero kuba think chikunda munonga nareba bishiki abo no bajabirira nyenda bamanye ngo umusege the only thing they can own is their certificate in school nga class teacher bito kwa kuchara kutugambira ebe binde bakureba maybe bamwe no bareba ngo abazire bitu bine sente ningo omushija naija kumpa sente ninga ninza kushobora heru ngore chimfune sente they should know ekinte kibako owninga kimwe cyonka ni certificate kandi aba batakagire mu ishemero bamanye ngo that's not the end of it all hariho women projects zibo kubasa kukora kandi utashomere kandi okay developing kuba ntureba business women abataragire mu ishemero but succeeding in life like Sichinkwenda gambiro mu kichogo takagire mu ishemero kandi ukureba nkatine chance it's not too late agende aronde opportunities around them akorese n'amani mingi and I assure them with confidence and effort they will make it and for those in school if you don't use that opportunity once lost think hamya kunoja kujuruzinga because the only thing echo kubasa kudependinga ho in life it is your certificate chinte chori ho mu ishemero eyori home education yawe nticherije kudependinga ho in life watch jabiriza no ba watch losing and for life
turukuhendera turukujaguza ekiro cy'abakazi ebigamba byawe aha mwana w'umushi ariyo nakurebesha heza
omwana w'umushi nanyenda gambara buri mushi muri eri hanga ngo mushi ine potential yo kore kintu cyona kandi umushi rekangambere umushi if you have support, determination and integrity, you can reach any level. When wawa wine chance yo kuzo mu ishomero gikose abo kubati yaburiyo hino yazire akashanga wabo tibirje mwenu kashanga bijabirire onka wawa wine opportunities zo mu ishomero shome uteke homotom otinyenda kubeka kandi noteko chibi.
All right. Pereza nero na shema n'umurate bizobiri. Turukujaguza kiro cy'abakazi abishiki muhirwe ovunanizibwa abakazi bahirwe ovunanizibwa mubasize kubikozesa abinji turebere mu exercising akurungi konka nyenda ombagamba byanyu bugufu ndebimo muri yo HS miliyoni mushohora mu mpere bugambo byanyu ubwo munyetoguri yoko most rumwana w'umushi ya deto ajaga basigaze tubarekerire munonga konka ko kukibekirwe kiro cyanyu reka tubahereze ubwire platform base kukigamba nebagambo ki ebimo kuhereza mwana w'umushari yoko
ekingambira omwana w'umushari yoko mu cyaro n'ahandi hona the sky is no longer the limit ntubasa gukora ibintu byose tuyatungure obor orevo musiri woni wori nkomu ya kabiri ya kashatu they tend to be disrupted aboja babaiha ori murungi no ekinkwasharinga they're not the first girls to be produced, they're not the beautiful girls ever. Can't wa muheru beine kora namani because this is a competitive world. Ejinense kwenda competition, they need first class. Twakwenda tokuza kuija I have second word, twakuza kubireba nibendo muntu orikwehayo ka competinga namani. And ekindi kingambira abazaire batwara abana heshomero. For example inabana kuba babasa kushoma bakozire gye n'okukoraje konka gye atabishibere gye no kuba sisikaire omwana wanje tinkuza kumutwara ishomero atikamuhinjire like narebe biyomisha ntushaba abazaire bona baryoko batwara abana babeshi ahishomero abako boje obwire bwingi percentage nyingi omwoje yesi nayamba muzaire konka kweza kushoma nabanza kureberera kai owishe hija bwanyuma konka waza kukireba kunomalizinga to our home areas omwishika kweza ati kugira sente nabanza kwishika hu yarigero wabo
no mu renovating amaju gabishimwe no mu kugira mutanke chwana bangura protein
banza ngoro wishi wanje
hendere ngambira ubutumwa bwawe amwana w'umukito kujaguza ikiro cy'abakazi
tukuzaguza ekiro cy'abakazi obutumwa bwanje abishya baryokwe. You should learn to design your beauty with knowledge and wisdom. Abinji muryokwe numwemanya mbwenu mubonire numutekateka mbwenu wabonera mbaza kushwera. So they should learn to design their beauty. Yeah, you should learn to design your beauty with knowledge. Don't just rely on the nature and the natural beauty that God gave you. Every time you get an opportunity, back kwata ho bakakusinika kaza, let me say university, otajenda just kuchiringa nkerijenda. You should work hard and make sure you come with the first degree and make your parents proud.
All right. Mami na dade bambareba TV basako bansibora.
Dadi wanje Mr. Selwaj Damiano na Nanyonga Christine Ahimuli, I'm very proud of you for empowering a girl child and making sure that all your students, all your kids at school. And I hope I will make you proud also so that I become your role model.
nanye ndamutse abazaire banje abakugisinje bukanga Mr. Ramatimba Godfrey n'omukazi we Phoebe Ramatimba nimbebaza munonga abo byambe bateile and the sky is not the limit.
Abazire banje ni mamu yaho omwami wamanya Edison na omukyara we atsasire Benias nimbasima munonga mubare kunsura mukanyisia kananye tukugira ngo hari nonda akoma bimukureba na no kuzamazi ninkwikayo only to make you proud and I will live to make you proud my entire life. Thank you so much.
Abazire banje Mr. Bamwineham and Mrs. Chomhanjovia. Yeah, just know that much is in my store and more is still coming. Thank you for sending me to school. Mwebarahabwa buri kimwe kandi imbaraga nsangu. Indeed, the sky is not going to be my limit. I'm still going to bring you more and more things in my store.
Bazire banje ni baramusyaho Mr. Mugambi Dan na Commission Evelyn. Mweni baragansa ntuza kwikana itakarebaga. Mweni nabishya baryokwe abazire baryokwa bina abana babishimbabe mbayambe nabo bikayi batakarebaga.
Yes, all right. Mukurikire cyumwe mu kiganiro hatwizera cyumwe nakashonshoreke aka movie trailer. Tukuba tureba movies esingereyo kwa Tom Babiro turo ku celebrating Women's Day. Now tujja kureba movies ziri omiringo myinji nkekiganiro ekitwaheza no kishanga o movie bakizanire chwire. There is what we call inspiration movies, twineza science fiction onoreba imabo kushoma science zoko kuza kwezo kargaye twareba my friend omutri nankijo mutupka kujati nyoni nza kuzana amazi nza kwikayo. So movies nino njari to mostere minyeto. So the campus kuba ni engaging emnyeteje ndebe for them do they watch movies ninga naba music na heavy serious byonka kanta ni you my brother here amazina gawe gombere classe yorumu and kameva korarebere ukareba ukajotaka umunyeti woryoko wakareba tokasigara kimwe nakabasa kugira ikikahindura omburamu bwawe.
Amazina gajenya twase Jonathan yo mu classe ya bina hati nyowe muve ndareba hoga cyane njire ngo tingushaka movies munonga konka eminyeto ninjira ngo ejire erebwe movies ezukuba yamba nyoti n'umuntu wa movies konka ibeshira ko muzika bare movies izarabongereho
bejumbere ombintu ebikugira ibyabateka no tukugira kari yagere meve yareba gere cyayigama atagere bamfufana
tagici
kanza washina kamuva ko rarebera ukagira utaka.
Actually nindeba
muri aba
series konka in a movie form not Telemundo na Z World. The best movie I've watched is called The Sandman. So umyejo movie nkega muchango whereby omushchi where they are supposed to kuba lord of the dreams but she could not believe but the fact that she like the factors that were around her, she was this person who was hardworking. She inspired the people around her community. So when she was chosen to become the Lord of the Dreams, I was really so inspired that we can also become lords at some point.
Mama tugambe ngo mwakutushwera nyoke natandika kutina Meron kameve akora arebero kajurotaka imyeto yakareba turuku jaguze ciro cy'abakazi.
Naturally also love soaps movie. Ninjereba nandi
it's okay
the only soap that I can lift a girl I've ever watched is Kufi the Singing Star. She was a little girl akaine myaka 3 but arikubasa kwerwanira kandi arikwemera gati y'abantu akarwanira ubugabebo nimpamye mushwe no wakoreba Kufi the Singing Star. She can literally change.
All right my brother amazina gawe class yorumu then utugambire kamuviya
amazina Kanyesije Francis tino muntu okaja muvu munonga konka
so serious with life
no serious ni life but yanje kwasa following kugira bati ni muntu wa sports munonga konka abacha bukara
movies but in movies za sports orarebereho movie ya Pere
yes no
it's a nice movie
movie as a sports manka kung fu soccer akwarebera umuntu kyabari inspired umuntu wayo nasika chapati akarga yakabororo modo so nimpaje emyeto mtahi yanje ninjihiga okuba motivated okutoruzinga hope kushanga umuntu wano ndi kintu no kirwanera shabuno kirwanera amuhero no kitunga.
Alright kamuvi hakutwisha kureba izoberi neba keta Pere ka my brother ko yanjira ngo aramunonga into sports Pere kabasa kubana argo magara genseji konka akakora ibintu binji munonga neyereka life ye okuyabira nobody but at the end of it life ya turning on yaba umuntu mutano neyereka amagara je gona ngo kwiyizere nakora ebyo kutangaza kikwereka iyo munyetori yoko utahwa man so long as nka topic itu atwineri izoba omzire yakuteko mu ishomero my sisters bacigambaho kirwanire kandi reka tajwara busha akariyabusha kandi ncyakaruka mugara amara omesh kare mukurikiye cyubwe omu ka movie trailer karunjako hati twizera cyubwe na countdown tujya ku bantu bada weshongoro butano usingereyo kwata ombabiro nabasakwegitwaho for now abasagazi enkwata butambisha kwamba tugambiro bweshongoro obo then later we engage them in something special kandi andikeniwe akeshongoro number 5 akasingire kushemeza mustire ombakazi no basa kumpanka mweshongozi
akeshongo zakasinye kunshemeza wakufite ko mbakazi kaba mama bitu imbaka shongoro ka mama ka Judith babiri
mama kurigera kimwe wa Judith babiri namba ya 4 amazina gawe
amazina ganje ni Manyita Campbell Alan Vieira akeshongo nambina imbasa kubayiza keshongo kibakwita I Love You by Celine Dion.
love you kurya kimwe ho warserendiyo hari namba ya kana my brother namba ya kashatu mutake shongoro ki amazina gawe
amazina ndi ainibina kategea brave then ekishongo kinkweza wa mama nchirgo wa rema n'amakura
abakazi something like that.
Alright,
ntuza kurondera yake shongoro cya kimwe wa rema n'amakura ko kugenda no murama gweto bwizobere my brother namba ya kabiri
namba ya kabiri akeshongoro kinkubasa kunda kuhereza imyito inchara bakita water
katerwa hakuba
it is an international song.
water. Alright, number 1 no haya kutereza number 1. Alright, number 1 tujja kubantu funara kimwe akeshongoro karongi mnonga kurga owa azawi abasize kurgayo yarwanira mnonga abakazi no mucyaro kujya ati nyoti nkushorwa ntine kasente so reka tubase kufuna obweshongoro obwo nza ko mukurishe kimwe obweshongoro obwo hati reka mbase kuba ninsibura ejemyete inanta yiseri akazoba menu hayro barogamba ho kimwe 2-3 my brother kantani cheniwe to celebrating ekiro cy'abakazi iwe umbegambo kimwe 2 notekateka mbo okwerevetinga abakazi ineshiriyo nkiyamba mu development
ego abakazi cyonchi bayamba kurgayo kale kwiza kutereka ngo nabumba basa gukora ibyo abashija bakora so abakazi mu bine like in parliament and other institutions echonchereka ngo abakazi twine gender balance twine equality y'abashija na n'abakazi we are on the same level.
Ikibuza nicyo cyane
abakazi ikintu jingamba abakazi okuvukuba baragayo ikintu cyo mutano
muno
nabishya bitushoma nabo because in some cases no shangana na omukazi nakora n'ecyo kusinga cyo mushija thinking shanga natekateka kusingaho gwe n'abakazi ko kubakoragayo kandi bemba tiyaho no kutuyamba.
Right, ebigambo birungi munonga no bihurira ebikorga mbasigaze ngwatabuta abishi abitukushoma nabo. Do you see any difference class nebika ninga abakiri bakinkira gare empowerment ne yakora ninga
icyahati kandi kashirinje kwetegeza ko umuntu abo kubani ndeba mu mashumi gwana ginashomiremo abishi nibingi burizo bakiraboje yamba kiraboje ubwinji kandi nangwe kindi yoni insima yo kusima ba mama bitu akwa nishaheza yituri kare ku rugombuto bwanje ntwanimbora kugira ngo ekaya betari mu kazi ije kate kuchira futebeka n'amakamarungi ngombe kwa bakazi so ni insima munonga ba mama bitu.
Right, nabagirambo ekaya kubaho nengashi to the success of a man enyuma ine ko bariyo a strong woman. Okukura kuranisa abakazi na nabiki ababana batabitukushoma nabo noreba ineshiriyo nkiyamba Uganda mu development
cyya kuyamba Uganda mu development yayo kuba hatiya noreba mu post zamanu mu ihangaritu rusitundiro abakazi ekikwereka ngo mukazi amunargayo tatiri umuntu wiro bajango mukazi n'umuntu kwatorwa inkoni hatiya abakazi baba raised atecho cyumbeta gender equality.
All right, sibura mami na dadi bambare bative
mami na dadi bari yakundiba imbasima abo konshashora school fees kandi bahamya ngo ogomwaka neza bakora proud.
All right, mami na dadi bambare bative
irananye mama na tata nimbasima
zabahura amazina gabo umwana rugato
nyowe ndi katega brave haza katega yani rya tata mu mutakatega Ivan then mama ni beyamba Anet haza nimbasima munonga kushanga ku rugombuto bwanje sheze nayiko mu senior 6 tikindi cyo kuzansa ya no kurwana kwabo noreba mbaburwe myenda bakuyembaje waraje kunke byo nabyo mbabireka kujya ngo ubundi nkashoma so nimbasima gwe kintu ejo.
Right, mami na dadi bansibore turya
ego mami dadi nitukundane Wilba mami ni more nitukundane wenu mazima nimbasima mwenkorira himunyihire okindi nimwe kandi on top of that na basista banje no ba mama nimwe nimbasima himuru mwena. I want you to be proud of me and I will make you proud this year.
Right,
mazina mbanyeta Kambere Alan Vieira nisima dadi bakwita Baluku Mkongo Joseph na mami bakwita Masika Rosette mwebale kunteko munseji kandi niza kumakinga sure ngo nakora ikishemerire kubakora proud this year.
Alright, eminyeto enkwatabuta ebigambo birunje byabasa kubarugamo nebirunje munonga shware iwe munyeto ryokwo wagira elif wapekinga elif mbagambe ebi twatwine abishyo mu discussion wabahurira nko kutukujaguza ikiro cy'abakazi twabahereza platform ejo kugamba ahabintu bakutekateka that they should get nengashi kuba fura abantu bamutano ningashabe biroto byabo batwire ne batekateka gundi babasa kuba then twayegitwaho nabasigaze nkwata butaye bwamba mwabihurira bagirambu n'ikirunje munonga kwerevetinga umwana w'umwikingo abo kuba oyine ekeji ningashwano embeki hanga woti ne backbone yo mukazi still nawe nono yebiha twatwine kuba twine ba critique abo okutugira gonka ekicyaba kiti basa kuba nokora tinyowe nabandi Joshua natwijukwa aha kamera na nyineho Susene ndyamachi mureke tubasibira heri akazoba reka tuvugane urwa mukago rundi turukwegitwa heminyeto endejo kongera kugira itafari rero twateka aha mwana w'umunyeto yuriyo noreba TV West wo mukiraka musibe kronje.